Hey guys, Patrick here, your nutrition coach here at Perform and Transform. And this week we're talking about unique vegetables. So in the past we've covered several topics: superfoods, antioxidants, having variety, vitamins and minerals, plant-based proteins. Today we're talking about unique vegetables. Some of these vegetables you may have tried it, you may have heard of it. Some of these you probably have never heard before in your life, including me when I was coming up with this topic. So before we jump into that, I want to ask you a quick question. What do you think is the opposite of happiness? You might say it's sadness or depression or failure. I'm going to argue that it's actually boredom. You see, the happiest people in the world are not bored. They're constantly growing and they're constantly trying new things. And so if you wanted to see success in your workout plan, your nutrition plan, same thing. You got to challenge yourselves to constantly grow, try new things, and constantly learn. In order to grow, we gotta get outside of our comfort zone and step into our courage zone and challenge ourselves to try new things and get uncomfortable. I love the saying, you have to be comfortable being uncomfortable, especially when you wanna hit your fitness goals. It's not gonna be easy with your nutrition, it's not gonna be easy with your workouts. Some days you're not gonna feel like doing it, but you have to be comfortable being uncomfortable. So this week, I'm gonna challenge you to get uncomfortable. How, you might ask? By eating different and more unique vegetables. But wait a minute, Patrick, you want me to not only eat vegetables, but eat vegetables I've never tried before? That's exactly what I'm gonna be challenging you guys to be doing this week. See, it's similar to like working out. Maybe you've never done deadlifts or squats or overhead presses, right? And your trainer walks you through, or the video walks you through how to do it, and then now you're comfortable and confident doing it. It's a new skill, a new habit, a new technique that you learn. Same thing with your nutrition. We can't just be doing the same thing over and over again. We gotta constantly grow, constantly learn, and constantly try new things, okay? So I have 5 unique vegetables that I wanna introduce to you. Some of them, again, you may have heard or you may not have heard. Number 1 is chayote squash. Number 2 is bitter melon. Number 3 is dandelion greens. Number 4 is fiddlehead ferns. And number 5 is purslane. Okay, so I'm gonna go through each of these unique vegetables, and below I've attached links to some amazing recipes that you can try, and also some of the health benefits associated with each of these vegetables. So let's jump right in. Chayote squash. So chayote squash is related to the squash family, but it's very, very low in carbs. How you make it is just peel it, you chop it up, it kind of looks like a pear, and you can make a stir fry out of it. You can throw in some eggs as well. Some of the health benefits, it's packed with antioxidants, it slows the aging process, and it promotes healthy pregnancy as well. The second unique vegetable is bitter melon. Now, I grew up with bitter melon. This is very common in Chinese cuisine. At first, I didn't like it, but my mom kept feeding it to me over and over again. And after a while, I started getting used to it and I started enjoying it, especially with delicious recipes. One of the common recipes for bitter melon is beef bitter melon with black bean sauce. If you order it at a restaurant, it actually tastes pretty good. It balances out the bitterness from the melon with the savoriness of the beef. Some of the health benefits of bitter melon is decreases your cholesterol levels, it helps you with your weight loss, and also has cancer fighting properties. The fourth unique vegetable is dandelion greens. Now, most of us are familiar with dandelions. We see it across the city, flowers, right? And then once the flower blooms, you can blow it and all the seeds scatter everywhere. But instead of the flower, we're talking about the leaves, dandelion leaves, okay? It's similar to spinach. So whatever you would throw in, whatever you would make spinach, you can use dandelion greens, right? You can throw it in your sandwich, your smoothie, you can saute it on the pan and throw in some garlic. Those are all fantastic options. Some of the health benefits of dandelion greens is gonna fight inflammation, lower your blood pressure, and also gonna promote a healthy liver. The fourth unique vegetable is fiddlehead ferns. This is very similar to Brussels sprouts, even looks like Brussels sprouts. So how you would cook Brussels sprouts is the same way you would cook fiddlehead ferns. You can roast it and bake it in the oven, throw in some salt and pepper, some spices, cover it with a baking sheet, pop it in for 20 minutes, and it's ready to go. Some of the health benefits with fiddlehead ferns is packed with vitamin C, B vitamins like niacin, and potassium. It's great for your heart, your eyes, your hair, and it's gonna boost energy. The last unique vegetable I want to talk about is purslane. Now, I've never had purslane personally, but it's related to the succulent family, like a cactus, but it's edible. How you make it is you can mix it in with your salad. You can mix it in with some mixed greens, some cucumbers, some olives, throw in some some feta cheese on top, mix it in with some balsamic vinegar, and it tastes fantastic. Some of the health benefits of purslane is it's a great source of minerals like potassium and magnesium, and it also has omega-3 fatty acids. Okay, so this week's nutrition challenge of the week. Challenge number one, level number one, is to try one unique vegetable. It can be a vegetable that introduced you today. It can be something else that you've never tried before. But get outside your comfort zone and try a unique vegetable. Challenge number two is to try at least one new recipe that I listed below featuring one of the unique vegetables. Challenge number three is to prepare everything in advance. So I want you to prep 3 new vegetables and prep 3 new recipes this week, so then you can conquer and tackle this week. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's go crush it this week. Thanks again for allowing us to transform your life through fitness.